showing you some the easiest way to make a working refrigerator. But it's raining, so hold on. Okay, so the items you need is a dropper, a block of iron, a button, an iron door, and any food choices you want. So first, you're going to put the dropper there facing you. Then you want to put a block of iron on top. You're going to put the button on the side of the block of iron. Place the door. You gotta be by it and tap on that block. And so now when you push the button, you'll see it opens. But we need to add stuff into the dropper. So I'm going to add some watermelon and some cookies. So now, when you open it, it shoots out some food, and you see now it comes. So now it shoots a cookie. So mine's lagging, that's why it shows the door is still closed. But yeah, really simple, really easy. It really doesn't look that bad, and no redstone involved, which is good because I'm horrible at redstone. Guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment for what you would like to do to the next video, and I will see you guys later. Bye!